Welcome back to Wine and DIY, where I drink some wine and try some DIY projects. Have you ever foiled something? I am not Martha Stewart, but I'm trying to be. I found this idea on her website for foiling a pumpkin, so we're gonna do it. I've got my spooky shirt. This I just got from Etsy from the Give Her Joy Co. Etsy shop out of Virginia, so shout out to all my Virginians. I love it. I've got my spooky wine glass. It says Whiny Witch. If you'd like to win one, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you how. And then I've kind of got this mystical wine. So I think it counts as spooky. It's really good. All right, let's get started. You'll need a craft pumpkin, foil sheets, metal leaf adhesive, a pencil, some paintbrushes, and some gold paint for the stem. Before I started, I practiced on paper, so I definitely recommend that. So the first step is to grab your pencil and start drawing those leaves. And I recommend drawing a little more lightly than I did, just in case your foil gets brushed off where your lines are. Okay, now for the tricky part. Take a small paintbrush and get that metal leaf adhesive inside the lines of your shapes. Because wherever your metal leaf adhesive is, that's where your foil is going to stay. So be very precise. Then let the metal leaf adhesive sit on the shape for about 5 minutes, and then take a sheet of foil and gently place it over the shape. Let it stick down. Then you can take your other lighter paintbrush and start working away at the foil until you're left with just the foil that's on your shape. Now, if you want a challenge, try to do letters like I did. I did BWS for burlap wine sack, and I think it's pretty tricky because you got to get those lines right so that your letters look precise. I'm pretty happy with the way my first project turned out using foil. It's really cute. Burlap wine sack, got my leaves, all very shiny. Now the last finishing touch would be to grab some gold or rose gold paint. I used both, and paint that stem just to give it a little extra oomph and to match all the foil. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me foil the pumpkin. I definitely had to do some touch-ups because I did not do a perfect job. But with leaves, you can, make them any shape you want. You could overlap them. Really, you could just kind of like freehand it because leaves can be really any shape. So I'm pretty happy with my final product. I would love to do a foil project where I just foil the whole pumpkin. So let me know in the comments if you think I should do that. I do have another pumpkin for Michael's. It's purple. And I was kind of thinking like a gold purple pumpkin would be really pretty. So let me know what you think in the comments. And finally, if you would like to win a wine glass that says Whiny Witch, just like this one, comment below. Tell me what you thought, if this is something you've done before or you want to try. And I'll see you next time. Cheers!